Welcome. Today is 7th of October 2018. Here is your daily horoscope on the go. Aries. Having one major issue to deal with felt like enough, but now a second and a third pressing matter comes to your attention. When it rains, it pours, and today it is most certainly pouring. Do your best to not overreact but to instead stay calm. Taurus. You are good at the idea end of things, but now is the time to deal with the reality end of things. It is essential that you are practical and stable so that you can actually manifest the dreams that you have been dreaming for so long. Gemini. You are fearless as you approach your work. You are an armored tank steamrolling over just about any obstacle that comes your way. In short, nothing can stop you at this time. You are feeling confident and strong in all aspects of your work. Cancer. Any new idea you have is going to be shot down without a second thought. People are more trusting of the tried and true, regardless of how dated it is. Now is not the time to introduce your newfangled idea on how to fuel cars with banana peels. Leo. Stick to what you are familiar with. This is not the time to branch out into unknown territory. Stay grounded and be practical with your time. Don't waste precious moments flitting around in the clouds with plans that are far beyond your reach. Virgo. People will be very reluctant to give you information. They are keeping their secrets close to them. The more you try to prod and poke, the more they will clam up. Be secretive with your ideas as well. Don't give your information away. Libra. You have reached an important plateau, and it is clear that there is another large climb ahead. The good news is that you have a great deal of self-confidence, especially during the afternoon, with which to conquer this new goal. Scorpio. If you are in sales of any kind, you have your work cut out for you. People will be hard to convince. They are very tight with their money, and if they are going to part with it, it needs to be for a good reason, for something of quality and value. Sagittarius. You are feeling much more stable than usual. Be confident. You certainly have every reason to be. You have done a great deal of work and it has earned you a great deal of respect. Now is the time to cash in. Be proud of what you have accomplished. Capricorn. Your wild dramatic escapades around the workplace may be good for winning Oscars, but they are not so good for earning the respect of the people you work with, especially today. Others may not say much, but they are secretly judging you. Aquarius. The atmosphere around your workplace has momentarily slowed, giving you time to catch up on the stacks of to-do lists that have been building up on your desk. A mountain has formed, but don't worry. You will conquer that mountain, one step at a time. Pisces. One of your virtues is that you can talk people in and out of anything. Your sweet voice and charm certainly do go a long way, most of the time. Today, however, unless you have solid facts to back yourself up, people will turn a deaf ear your way.